the morn tide come as invitation of the day in Varanasi. A beautiful morning in Varanasi, a land of devotion, pilgrimage, mysticism and poetry, tells in various beautiful ways that every day of our life is a new beginning. Varanasi wakes up by offering prayers to River Ganga. The faint chirping of birds, the fragrance of incense, the chime of temple bells, which calls the faithful for morning prayers for azan from the mosque, chanting of Buddham Sharanam Gacchami and dulcet notes of Shabad Kirtan from the Gurudwara all create an environment of harmony celebrating the diversity of our culture. Festivals are an expression of our rich and varied heritage. The celebrations are a manifestation of the joyous nature of Indians who believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is my family, and the festivities are an expression of this joy, reaching out to humanity.
Smith School embraces all religions and cultures and expands the horizon of the thinking of students, celebrating diversity which has been interwoven into the fabric of everyday school life by the principal Dr. Anita Polinde and the team of dedicated teachers.
January is one such special month in India, which marks the celebration of the festival of harvest. People in different states of India celebrate this day with pomp and vigor. Here are some glimpses of celebration of various harvest festivals by our students.
Marking the beginning of harvest and the end of winter solstice, Lohri is celebrated on 13th of January every year by lighting bonfires and dancing to the tunes of Bhangra and Giddha around it.
Kal Chakra Puja is celebrated by Buddhists in India by lighting 1,000 butter lamps, chanting for peace and harmony.
Bihu is celebrated by young people. They erect makeshift huts known as mezi from bamboo, leaves and thatch, and then burn the huts the next morning, signifying the destruction of negativity. The Keli Bhonga, that is pot breaking and buffalo fighting, are games played at this time.
भास्करस्य यथा तेजो मकरस्थस्य वर्धते तथैव भवतां तेजो वर्धतामिति कामये. Just like the sun rises in Capricorn, the same way we wish you health and prosperity.
Makar Sankranti is aligned with the solar cycle. On this day, people bathe in holy rivers, fly kites, worship sun and eat chikki, gazak, til ka laddu, ramdana, jaggery and khichdi prepared of rice and pulses with lots of veggies.
The religious syncretism based on unity in diversity and multi-communitarism is the essence of Banaras. Varanasi is known for its unique cultural harmony and coexistence, which is referred as Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb. Just like in famous Banarasi saris, the wap and the weft cannot exist without each other. Similarly, the Hindu and the Muslim cannot live without each other. Their existence is like wap and weft of life, and they weave a fabric of harmony, which is the essence of Banaras.
We are a culture of festivals, a way to celebrate all aspects of life.